Now, if you know VHF DAC and VHF transceiver, you know SATC also, because it is exactly identical. Let us study the theoretical difference first. VHF DAC is a DAC unit. You can only send DAC, you cannot talk. All agree?
Yes.
Yes.
So you need a transceiver. You need a transceiver which can talk on radio telephony. That is how VHF works. On VHF, it is short distance. So you are using the terrestrial means of communication, line of sight. You are using a station, radio station, that is coast radio station, because it is related to radio unit. Now, if you have understood the VHF DSC and transceiver, very easy to compare with SATC. Now, the theoretical difference, SATC is using Inmarsat. So you need to log in first. You need to log in first. Once you have logged in, the satellite will give you common signaling channel, and then you are shaking hands. Same thing like VHF DSC. In SATC you cannot talk. You cannot talk. You can only send alert by 2 buttons. Okay. Provided you have logged in with the satellite, whichever satellite under whose footprint you are there. Okay. So now let us compare and see. Let us compare and see. One more thing in DSC. DSC, whatever you are sending, you are only getting a reply back on DSC. Talking you can do only on RT. SATCOM C is store and forward. Means whatever you are sending it to the satellite, it is going to the CES. It will be stored there, and within fraction of seconds it will be sent to the further RCC, LUT, jidhar bhi jana hai. Okay, understood now? Now, before we go to the SATC, try and understand. Okay, you have got a power unit here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have got a VHF DAC there, which has got a display. It has got a display. So you have a power unit, we have a display, we have a screen, and we have a keypad. Once again, we've got a power unit, antennas also it has got. We've got a display, we have got a keypad, and we got 2 buttons to send the alert. All know what I am saying?
Yes.
Now let us go to SATC. Go. Inmarsat C. Now wait. You have got a transceiver. VHF also had a transceiver. Okay. You had a message terminal in the DSC where your outgoing message can be punched in. Incoming messages were stored. We saw that. RX messages.
Yes.
So this is the message terminal where everything is stored. So exactly same thing it is there. Now you switch on the power unit, switch on the power unit, and switch on the message terminal. Similar to VHF DSC and transceiver. Transceiver है message terminal. Now where is the keypad? We don't know. So change view. Go to change view. You got the screen. Display आया. उधर भी display है. इधर भी display है. Keypad is your keyboard. Okay. Now go back to change view again. On the VHF DSC you had 2 buttons where you could send the distress alert. Can you see here you have got 2 buttons?
Yes, sir.
It is written there, press both keys for 5 seconds
Stop and alarm.
to send
Alarm.
to send the alarm and to send the distress alert. Which one?
Stop and alarm.
And alarm. You press both together and the alert will go. But before that, only difference in SATC is you got to log in. Log in means you have to tell the antenna, look at the satellite. Does the antenna look at the satellite?
Yes, sir.
Does the antenna look at the satellite on its own?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Why?
Because
Sir,
of
omnidirectional. Omnidirectional.
Because it is omnidirectional. Yes, it has got an omnidirectional, so it does the alignment on its own, and in any direction it will work. You know, it doesn't need to do all that adjustment of moving, synchromotor, not required. It does alignment on its own. Okay. Now go to the screen display and see what has happened. It is telling you, the equipment feeds you, tells you printer to चालू करो, switch it, चालू करो. Okay, go back to printer. Okay, printer. नहीं change view. Okay, now printer not connected, press escape to continue. Now see what has happened in that time period is that the SATCOM C has aligned itself on its own. We did nothing, but it is telling you that I have got East Atlantic under whose footprint I am there, and my signal strength is 100%. Okay, so that means it has done on its own. So what is it doing? Auto aligning. You want to see the process of its aligning?
Yeah.
Go back, switch off the SAT-C, change view, switch off, switch off. Okay,
Switch
now
on, switch
go back to change view, blank. Okay, this was the original condition. Now switch on the trans receiver and the message terminal and come
Change
to the
view.
screen. Now it is going to align on its own. Now see the procedure. Omnidirectional hai, so it will align on its own. Okay, log in. It is doing that process. In Inmarsat C, the signal will go up down. On its own, it is trying to look at the satellite. This is a small sequence. It will complete the sequence and come back.
CapSat.
Okay, CapSat is the name. Okay, now once the process is complete, it will log in to its own satellite with the best signal. On its own to the best signal. On its own. It is login successful. It is self-explanatory. Very easy. Okay, now, but you want to change it. I don't want East Atlantic. Maybe I want Pacific Ocean. I don't know whether I am under his footprint. Malum nahi hai. So what do? I try to change. Now see, by pressing Alt and F, you will get the file. Alt E, Alt Tango, Alt L, Alt Distress, update position. You've seen the functions in VHF?
Yes, sir.
Almost same thing is here. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Almost same thing. Only thing इसमें satellite वाला selection है. What is that? So go to options, Alt O. See if it is there. Okay, it is there. You had the scanning there, but what was the scanning there? It was scanning to channels. MFHF also it was scanning channels. Now in this case, this scanning means it can scan the satellite.
Satellites.
Means the antenna will look around for satellites to scan. But can we do the logging in manually? Yes. So go to login. Next line.
Log in.
Next line. Down arrow. Down arrow. Okay. Now logging in. Enter. Now we don't know under whose footprint we are. Okay. At random. So let us try Pacific Ocean.
Down arrow.
Now we are doing this manually. Now pay
Enter.
attention, we are doing this
Enter.
manually. Enter. It is working now. It is trying to log in Pacific Ocean. If we are under its footprint, it will say successful. Otherwise, it will tell you sorry, sir. Okay, understood now? Manually, it has done on its own. We did nothing. But if we want to actually change, forcefully change, it can be done. Okay, let us see if it is logging in or not. If it is not logging in, that means we are not in the footprint. Now this is all with respect to the position of your ship. Agreed now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us wait and see whether it is logging in. So you have the choice of these 4 satellites. Whichever one you want, you can log in.
Login failed.
Failed. Why? Because not under the footprint. Simple answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now go back to East Atlantic. That was the best because the satellite C, SATCOM C does on its own. खुद चुन लेता है which is the best one. Okay. Now East Atlantic it will log in.
यदि सर हमारी पोजीशन ऐसे जगह पे हो जहाँ पे दोनों
Again the best one. It will select the best one. Best signal.
So जैसे एक सैटेलाइट के फुटप्रिंट से दूसरे सैटेलाइट के फुटप्रिंट में जा रहे हैं तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज
Flip over. Changes over on its own.
पर सर अगर 2 सैटेलाइट अवेलेबल है तो मैनुअली चेंज
Best. Your choice. See, because that you change when you have a coast station. See, one satellite has got a set of coast stations under his footprint. Another one has got another under its footprint. Now, if you have a cheaper one, for example, for your normal communication, you want a cheaper one in say Atlantic Ocean East, you use login provided you are in the border, that common area, okay, overlapping area. Okay, now
लॉगिन सक्सेस
East Atlantic logged in. Okay, now press escape.
इसके ऑलरेडी
Escape. Okay, now on the VHF DSC, what did you do? You just press both the buttons and the alert went. What did go in the alert? Your ID, last updated position, nature of distress went as undesignated. Okay, here also, if you do the same thing, go change view. If you press the two buttons, what will go? Your
Undesignated.
Inmarsat C ID with your last updated position. Satcom C has got his own GPS built in. It doesn't depend on the GPS external feed. उसका खुद का GPS है. And the nature of distress will go as, don't press now. Don't press. It will go on its own as undesignated. Okay. Now you have to press it for a period of 5 seconds. Okay. Now if you press period of 5 seconds, you know what happens? In that case, you get distress alert being sent. You can get that alarm. In this case, the alarm comes on that red button. Press stop and keep it pressed till the time you get the alarm button.
5 seconds.
Alarm. Leave now. Go see the printer. If something is there. Here.
Yes, sir.
Seen that?
Yes,
It
sir.
is issued at so and so time. Go to change view. See, it is telling you that distress sending has been done by you. Okay. Now distress alert has gone to the CES and it will be further sent to the RCC. Now you will get an acknowledgement back in the form of EGC. The reply which comes will be in the form of EGC, means it is a reply to everybody. The acknowledgement goes to all as an information that this ship has been in distress, so ships in the vicinity go. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have studied, what we studied in VHF is a different thing, इसमें थोड़ा सा फर्क है. Okay, so now how to send? Same
Yes, sir.
two buttons. Now you go to VHF DSC again.
Again is sending.
Sending, nahi, that time it was sending, now it is successful. Now it is actually sent. Okay, VHF, the transmission time is very small, here it takes some time. Okay, now go to VHF DSC. Up. Now if you have to send the designated distress alert, what is the best way to do? Press
Distress.
only distress button. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Pay attention, only distress button. Then what does it ask you?
Nature of distress.
Okay, so now it is asking you nature of distress, select. Yeah, okay, sinking or anything, grounding.
और ऐसे ढूंढते हैं सर, वो कोई नहीं देखता बेचारे को.
Okay, next. Up. Now see, the equipment has asked you either update your position, nature of distress. Finally, it tells you press two buttons. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Finally, it tells you press two buttons. Same thing happens in SATC. Go to SATC. Okay. Now go to the screen display. Can you see distress here?
Yes, sir.
Go there. Alt D. Okay. Now watch. All of you read. This does not send the distress alert. This will not send the distress alert. It only issues a distress message. Banata hai message. To send, you must use the trans receiver front button panels to send the distress alert. Means you have to press two buttons. So here it tells you first only.
Designated.
In designated, here it is telling you first only that दो बटन दबाने का है. Okay, there it tells you later on, but it tells you, correct? Now see, what is that? That is acknowledgement has come. Your EGC has come. EGC में जाओ. Press that. Go to printer. Tell you. See what has happened now. This is your distress acknowledgement. Okay. This generally comes within a span of 5 minutes. Now read.
The following collision.
By default it has selected collision. Okay, anyway, but everything yours only. Check your number 4636 वही है क्या? जाओ शिप्स आईडी में.
नहीं सर,
नहीं है सर.
वो 6360 है अपना सर.
Inmarsat C.
46.
Okay, close. Okay, now position also is correct because I know it is correct. And ships in the area. Now what is this? This is an acknowledgement given to everybody that please look out for this ship. Okay, this is what it is. So now you know how the acknowledgement comes in. Okay, going back to distress again. Okay, so now you know that whatever you do now will not go till you press 2 buttons. It is telling you now. Okay, press any key and you will continue. Now see, there it has asked you nature of distress, it is showing you on the side. Okay, it is showing you there. Same things it is showing you. It is only difference here is it is asking you which CES, which LES you want. Now LES, go up arrow, up. Okay. Now in this, anything you want to change, you can change it by pressing space bar. It is written there.
Yes sir.
Space. So press space bar. It will give you the list of coast earth stations. Ega?
Yes sir.
Now you can choose. In distress you need not choose because distress whatever comes by default, they are all interconnected
302.
with each other. They are all interconnected with each other, and you will get definitely a reply from somebody. Okay. But if you still want to choose, you can do that. So choose anyone, EIK 104. But now, if you choose, your further message must go to the same station. Correct, no? You can't send the alert to somebody and
Distress to-
message to somebody. This is not correct. So you have chosen Norway, EEC, go ahead. Press enter, it will come there. aa gaya? Your position update, it asks you in DSC, you want to update position. Here it is asking you. If you want to change it, you can change. If it is okay, go down. Here additional information नहीं down arrow से जाएगा. Here additional is course, speed, and anything. Now nature of distress you can update.
Yes sir.
Do whatever you want.
Piracy.
Okay.
Hello.
Now how? नहीं. Change by what? It is telling you change by.
Space.
So press space. It will give you a dot. ठीक है? Now okay. Okay ma'am. Now one moment. Okay. Has the alert gone?
No sir.
Now what you are supposed to
Message.
do?
Go to change view.
Yes.
Split
now,
cursor.
Split cursor. Press.
Stop
Keep
and
it pressed
allow.
till you get the alarm. Simple.
Very simple.
Very simple.
छोड़ो. Leave.
Okay.
Change view.
Simple.
सर बट दैट टर्मिनल वो उसका कुछ
किधर है?
सिर्फ ऑन करना
Which terminal?
दैट टर्मिनल
Message terminal.
Yes.
It is incoming, going, everything is stored there. DSC का जैसा. All incoming, outgoing are stored in that. No.
उसमें एक ब्लॉक है ना looks like something
That is a floppy disk.
for floppy
Nowadays you get with a pen drive also. So this is the older model. Okay. Now distress is issued, not yet sent. It will be sent very soon. Okay. So now you know how to send.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now distress undesignated, designated, done. Go to VHF trans receiver. Next one.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now after you press the distress and send here, what did you do?
We will.
Yes, we went to the next telecommand. Correct.
Yes sir.
What was the telecommand? Telephone.
Channel 16.
Telephony. So you went to the corresponding RT and you spoke Mayday call
Mayday.
and Mayday message. Correct. Distress call and distress message. Can you do the same thing in SATC?
No sir.
Yes. Yes, only thing you cannot speak here.
You can.
So to what did you do? You sent, you spoke, you sent the call and the message, distress call and distress message. Go to set C. Now restriction here is you can't speak, but at least you can type.
Yes, sir.
So what did you do in VHF trans receiver? You sent.
Yes, sir.
Did you sent it? No. What is the word? Another word for here in sent?
Transit.
Transmit. है ना? So go to transmit. Simple. Alt T. Okay. Now same thing you can do here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same thing. Now routine. Keep it to routine. Doesn't matter. Distress must go to whom? Tell me. Distress must go to whom? One individual.
All.
No, in this is Inmarsat. It has to go to satellite. From satellite, it has to go to CS.
CS.
Then to your home. No.
No, sir.
To
All
Or-
cities.
in the vicinity.
not all CS.
Even send.
RCC.
RCC. So it has to go to some rescue center. Correct. So now rescue center. Now this is rescue center routine. No. Now let us assume that this is the rescue center. It will do on its own. Now the station we have selected is same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The moment you select distress, now watch. The moment he presses a space bar, this routine will change because you can't send distress to a shore-based station.
It will
No,
not send.
it has to go to RCC, right?
Yes, sir.
So distress means press space bar. Same, that same acknowledgement has come. Okay. Okay. EGC. Escape. Okay, now you agree?
Yes, sir.
See, the equipment is so beautifully tuned that the moment you select distress, it will go to search and rescue only. जो भी RCC है, जो भी it will go to that only. You cannot send it to any routine number. So distress it is interlinked with. Now, what are the next things it is asking you? Confirmation requested. नीचे, yes. Printer, yes. Immediate action,
Yes.
yes. Now, where is the message? I don't know. I don't know where is the message. I did not prepare anything. But go to text in editor.
Hmm?
Text in editor. Now, what does this mean? If you had prepared a message here earlier, this is the editor. You could press send and that message would have gone. But you have not prepared anything.
Hmm.
But there could be a file which has got some distress message
Yes, sir.
which you had prepared earlier, or you can prepare it and keep that in case distress, that you can do. So you don't want, so press the space bar. It is telling you any file you know,
No.
come down. Press some space bar. It is telling you so many messages are there. This is for learning purpose. Okay. Now assume there is some distress here. Just check down.
यही तो है सर मेरे.
मेरे और भी देखो. There may be something below that. Okay. Distress है ना? So okay. Distress message
बाबू
or
सोना.
distress text.
बाबू सोना.
हाँ भी बाबू सोना चल रहा है सर.
Okay. Distress. Assuming this is the distress message. Okay. We will do that. Assuming. So press enter. Now this file has gone there. You seen that?
Yes, sir.
Now if you press send, this is your DSC
Alert.
alert के बाद वाला call and message है.
Yes.
Okay. This is your call and message, but it is on telex.
Telex.
Inmarsat telex. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
So now go to send. Enter. It is asking you because see.
Double confirmation.
Double. As you said, no, one button, two button.
गलती
It is
से नहीं
asking
होना.
you confirmed है, मजाक नहीं है. Okay. Yes.
Yes. I
Yes.
confirm.
Working. Sending. Now check printer whether any message has gone.
Printer. Mayday.
Okay.
जल
So this was your message. Now if you have to prepare a message and keep, how will you prepare?
We'll go
Okay.
to change.
Now let us prepare a distress message. Go to file, alt,
Alt
F. new telex, ऊपर, ऊपर, enter. Now, you were asking me the other day what is that C/R, L/F. Whenever you are typing any message, This is the standard format that you press carriage return in the typewriter था ना, तो space you come to the next line. Okay, so in this case you please leave at least one line, you know, 1 line, 2 lines, you can do that. Because why? Enter मारो. Because when the message goes at the receiving end,
ऊपर वाला मिट जाता है.
when somebody tears the page and all, the message might miss out, so always give some
Space.
carriage return so that it comes down 2 lines. Okay, now you can type your actual message. Now in this case the call is not required,
नेडे
because
एम ही है वो, एन पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा सर.
Nani.
M.
Now in this case in SATCOM CE the call is not required. Mayday, mayday, mayday is not required. You can send directly the message. Why? Because it is going to one CES only.
Yes.
Correct? As he said, no, mayday, 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 or he said all stations, not required. The single CES call, LES call. So you can send only the message. In case of examination, he insists that you have to send mayday, you can do it. Send call and message, but actually only message is sufficient. So, oh hello,
In bond.
where is the mayday?
लिख देंगे सर बस.
mayday किधर है?
लिखा.
मैसेज किधर है? परफेक्ट मैसेज है. एंटर. ओके, mayday, एंटर, 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 एंटर. नो D. What is your
नेचर आउट
no ship's name, call sign?
एनओडी
सर तो जहाज तो यहाँ पे कुछ और नाम से आया था ना अभी.
मतलब वही डालो ना, गोलर ग्लास को डालो.
गोलर ग्लासगो.
GOLAR
Gro.
space Glasgow, GOW oblique Echo Lima ELOW OW 9 oblique